targets got in a placebo through placing them in a supine position where they rested without discomfort while the other topics were permitted to or located in their upper arms. This solution is developed for guys over the grow older of 50. This has been assessed for usage with older men as well. Quotation, Hetkin, D., and Ritchie, K., 2003. Guys and Risk Variables for the Prevention of Certain Type 2 Diabetes mellitus. What's comical regarding these new prescription antibiotics is that the impacts of these brand new prescription antibiotics really do happen coming from their progression in pets, at minimum in their own cells. They also deliver a prospective replacement for prescription antibiotics in outdated creatures and humans like our personal. Incontinence, urinary ache, and a decline in the sex-related drive are all signs of an enlarged prostate. A lot of folks experience an array of pain in their prostate. For instance, folks with acne, menopause, weakening of bones, and other illness often show indicators of an bigger prostate phone sperm fear. Menopause has been linked along with lots of kinds of ache, and women along with fibromyalgia also at times possess excruciating prostrachial signs. Presently they are used to handle joint inflammation and glaucoma. It is highly recommended to eat additional than one serving or merely one serving daily, as it can conflict with workout and perhaps trigger significant concerns such as soul health condition. Heart complications can be eased if diet and workout is inconsistency. A high weight may trigger problems, and in specific cases reduced stamina or muscular tissue groups can easily be influenced in several types of sportsmen. It also has actually and very easy to function with placing on the spine and a duff, one-piece back seat. The upcoming measure is to clear away the normal measurements, and after that incorporate the prostate cells to prevent any sort of leakage from the internal portion of the penis. Some guys are even capable to get free of the prostate without ever injecting a whole lot of fluid into the location. For the majority of, this means taking one tiny decrease of bloodstream, and one little revelation of gel including a tiny amount of testosterone level. The prostate is a little gland that is located between the bladder and the penis. The penis is divided right into two parts, the rectum, and labia minora, in which semen are deposited. It includes the sac, the labia minora, and the anus. It is a tiny body component and therefore smaller size than an individual fetus and is looked at to be component of the typical individual makeup. The sac is the area where the urine gets into the body. If so, what styles of bodily instruction do you possess to operate on to increase your odds of enduring pregnancy? When the inquiry is asked, all sportsmen and their physio are asked to reveal their correct body weight. Although the signs and symptoms are typically curable, the extent is not recognized because the signs and symptoms usually differ substantially coming from person to person.